Today's lesson, how to draw a cool lion. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to the series on teaching you how to draw. Well, today's lesson we're going to be drawing a cool lion, aka the cool cat. This was just a visual that I created for a project many years ago as a thumbnail and had to come through a lot of changes, but this was just one of the comps. So let me just get started. I build his head, his base of his body, and his legs. Right now I'm just working on his feet, and I'm just laying out the fundamental shapes so I can create this character. And I do have a little sketch next to me which I am using to guide me along, so it's not just out of my imagination this time right now, but I just wanted to share with you. Sometimes you could be just winging it, should I say, and just saying, hey, how does this character is being built? That's when you're being creating characters. I've made a lot of characters and artwork that way, where you don't have anything to go by but your imagination. So this is just one comp that I did many years ago. So as I'm sketching, I'm looking in areas of my interest. So as an artist, it's not like, okay, I need to finish the face, the body, and the hair. It's whatever grabs me, and I just guide my thoughts in my mind at that time. Like right now, I'm just on his eyebrows right now, getting his whole face together. Let's build up his arm. He's just going to be hanging out his arms both ways. I'm happy his body twisted just a little bit, so the arm and hand on the right will be more in front of you, while the left side here is tucked behind the body. That just gives a little character and personality, so it doesn't look too flat or stiff. All right, let's work on the fingers. The standard 3 fingers with the little thumb. I like doing that a lot. And I'm sketching very lightly, and then from there I will go a little heavier after that. And make sure you continue following and subscribe to our videos, because I am now in this season, this is my second season working on these videos, I'm going to be laying out videos after how I clean up and how I color in. I'm not going to do all at the same time, several videos at a time, so it's not too long for you to share. So if you just want to see pencils, you can check out all my pencil videos and my colors, all my coloring videos. All right, and let's put him with a cool vest on. There we go. So as you can see here, I'm going to show the sleeve and the undercut there and his arm. All right, there we go. There's little feet there. Let's get some clean shoes, like very high polished old 1940 styles. Yeah, there we go. Looking good. There we go. Okay, so as you notice again, that crosshair is really critical to help to guide me where my eyes and nose and ears are actually going to follow. So remember that as a neat tip. And like I do at times, I like to just shade in some of the areas so I can see the content a little bit different. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just thought. Okay, let's get heavier with the face right here right now, and I'm getting a little bit harder with my pencil. Get his little tuft of hair over there, and on the other side of his face. And I'm currently working off of my Mac computer with my stylus right now when I sketch, so I can videotape me while I'm working without getting any glare from the pencil. All right, let's work on that vest a little bit more. Again, a little bit more detailed now, a little bit stronger with the line, more confident on the shape that was created and building that block up. Oh, there's my little cuckoo clock. All right, let's get to his hands a little bit more in detail. And his little, there we go. It's kind of working on his fingers and hands is really makes the expression a little bit more alive. So something else I'm going to be sharing is how to draw cartoon hands and expressions on face and body. All right, let's get that leg there. Okay, get his pants on. I'll shade those in as well as with the vest there. Let's get that little overlapping with the belt. Okay. That's looking good. Sketching the shoes, getting that a little bit darker now again. As you can see, I continued the entire cartoon, or in this case, a little character lion, first, and then I'll come back when I feel comfortable, and then I'll start to place the heavier lines, the more control in my thoughts. So like here, I made his finger a little bit larger. Change that shape a little bit there, and let's make that finger a little bit larger. That's the difference why sketching is key versus just drawing a straight line or just drawing a line. You can come back and just create any changes quickly and simply. Let's add some strokes in the hair. I'm going to go wide in the middle here. There we go. So give it a little light, a little tighter over here. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to do the vest right now, really tight the line. And I'm not worried about if I'm overlapping. That's okay. This is just a sketch. Let's get the other side done. Okay, yeah, he's popping up. He's looking good. Let's get his pants colored in right now. Finaling him up there. Just about done with this one. Yeah. Well, let's give him some like little cool jewelry right now. Yeah, there you go. Got to have something fun in here. He looks like a cool cat. All right. Well, thanks for watching this video. And as always, let's sign and date it. And you guys have a great day.